Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have had a wonderful holiday season and having a good start to your new year. Today we're going to be doing another Maeven Box. So let's see what we have. As always, we have our expert information in each box. This one is about stylizing your bridesmaids and your bridal party. It comes with some really cute cupcake ring toppers. Cupcake toppers. Perfect for bachelorette party or your couple's engagement party, or even topping cupcakes at your wedding. You get a pot to go on your phone or your tablet. It comes with 5 of these cards, these bridal cards, to put in your bridesmaids boxes or your asking boxes. We have another sign. I love us. This one's super cute for table decoration or for your Instagram photos or just photos, however you like to do them. We have a beautiful hardcover notebook with bride's notes printed on it to keep track of styles and caterers and foods you like. All that stuff can go in here, that way you can keep track of them. And last but not least, we have this beautiful lace kimono robe. That came in this box. It is beautifully designed. It can go over a camisole and jeans just for a little extra pop of color. It can be used with your wedding night lingerie. However you would like to use it. It's beautiful, well made. And that's all we have in this box. I hope you guys join me again next time. And have a good rest of your day.